Why does anybody buy anything? Well, it really boils down to one simple truth. Anybody buys anything based upon the emotion that they're feeling. Now, a lot of people struggle to understand and realize that and take that into account when they're dealing with sales and marketing. So let's say you want to buy a new computer. Now, are you going to buy that computer for gaming? You might want to get a newer computer because the older one is frustrating you. It's too slow. It can't play the games you want. So you're relieving a negative emotion. You're looking forward to playing a new game. That's something that you've been wanting to do for a long time, looking forward to a positive emotion. Maybe you're buying a computer for productivity. I recently upgraded my computer. I've got my nice Borg Cube case back there. I'd been working with a computer that I had built several years ago. It wasn't able to handle the workflow that I needed for the speed of being able to create all the types of content that we're doing lately. So it fixes the problem for me of like slow exports and crashes and all the things I was having with my old computer. Also, of course, productivity is typically a thing that helps you support yourself, support your family. So again, the emotion of being able to provide and the comfort of knowing that that is a thing that's going to help you out better. Now, I mentioned all this to bring up the topic of video. Video is the best tool for conveying emotion. You've got music, you've got cinematography, you've got lighting, you've got camera motion, you've got acting, you have storytelling. All these things come together to really convey the most dynamic, most interesting way of conveying emotion in any medium. I'm sorry, but like books, print media, photos, nothing is as good at conveying emotion as video. And yet for a lot of businesses, they give up on using emotion in their videos. They dry up their videos and make it too laden with features and benefits and years of service and all the things that they think are important to them that aren't really important to the people watching it. And they lose the emotion. They lose the reason that people would be interested in the product in the first place. So no matter what you're involved in, whether you're in sales, whether you're in marketing, whether you're in content creation, all of your copy, all of your imagery, everything should be focused on meeting the need of that emotion. And if you read it and it feels too dry, if you watch your video and it feels too lacking of spirit of emotion, then you're probably not, the audience is going to feel that even 10 times more than you, the person that's connected to the message that you're trying to sell. Hey, thanks so much for watching. If you want to find out how to unlock the true potential of video for you and your business, check out more of our content or reach out and let our team be your video pathfinder.